fine, real fine grit.
Okay. This is Larry Solak machine, automotive machine shop. And he's doing it's so shiny.
Well, you need a good surface finish for bearings and stuff to run on. And the other thing is, it's like one of the problems that you got when you got cranks around and stuff is it's easy to put have something, leave a little mark or something in it. And one of the problems that you run into with a lot of stuff, if something hits a crankshaft or any surface, it leaves a ding in it. And the problem with the ding is, you ever go out and stomp your foot in dirt? You know, it leaves an impression. What's around the edge of that mark? It pushes it up, okay? A ding in the crank is just gonna hold a little bit of oil, but the piece sticking up is gonna cut the bearing. So that's why
sense.
one of the things, one of our policies is with crankshafts and stuff, is like we do a bunch of work on it. If we're assembling the engine ourselves, the last thing we do is polish the crank, clean it, and put it in the block. That way, by polishing it, you make sure there's nothing on there that's going to hurt you. It's easier than spending 2 hours with a magnifying glass looking for
That's
it.
right.
It goes back to I'm lazy. Now, there's one mark in this crank. You see this right here? That's where a piece of dirt went through it.
And that's called this.
It's not going to hurt anything. It's just a little groove that's in the crank.
And it's right on the oil
It's on
hole.
the oil hole. Something
Yeah,
came out of the oil hole,
Right.
or something got to it, and it just cut a groove in the thing. So, like I say, it's not going to hurt it.
Okay.
I've seen people, oh my God, it's got a mark in it. It's like,
Yeah.
like I say, it won't hurt a thing. It's there, but it's down, it's not up, so you don't have to worry
All right.
about it.